So they learn about this particular courses right from day one once they are a part of this particular university, and then we have also given them a chance to take this as a track for themselves. Along with the programs where they are registering, they can have a major and a minor in this particular field if they want to take these particular courses. However, it's a mandate for everyone to have this particular value-added courses for them. I would say giving them this particular knowledge about the rich culture, heritage about our country and all. We also are doing our best in diversifying ourselves into the various other fields. We have started off with pharmacy, we have started off with law. We have our other programs along with this particular field into the medical side. We are planning to diversify ourselves also in the field of nursing. So I would say this is one of the university which gives, other than the curriculum part, I mean an individual who is taking up any project, be it a field visit, be it a project, be it an internship, be it any research area, it has to have a meaning and it has to have an output that would be useful to the mankind at large. So we just don't say that it's an education just for the sake of an education. We say that particular education has to build values to the nearby societies.